Hello, my name is Austin Hager and I'm with Sunset Cadillac.
Today I'm going to give you an overview of the first ever Cadillac XT5 3.6-liter V6 engine. The XT5's dynamic 3.6-liter V6 engine with 8-speed automatic transmission delivers effortless acceleration that takes you to the highway speeds quietly and smoothly, while the responsive handling keeps you feeling firmly in control. The result is refined power for an exciting driving feel. Experience the first ever Cadillac XT5 today, only at Sunset Cadillac, Sarasota, Bradenton, Venice.